This tutorial will show you how to connect your core wallet to the Dexalot subnet testnet. We're going to be using Google Chrome for this example, and we're going to assume you have already installed the core wallet as an extension. Once you have the wallet installed, simply click on the extension and go to the menu, select Advanced, and enable testnet mode. Then you can connect to the Dexalot subnet by clicking this icon at the top and clicking Dexalot subnet. After that, you can go to the subnet page itself, which is subnetapp.dexalot-test.com/trade. Once you're met with this page, click Connect to a Wallet and select Core. If this is your first time connecting to the Dexalot subnet with your core wallet, you may need to click Connect to a Wallet again after you connect initially. From here, you can get some mock allot tokens from the faucet. You can request 2 at a time with a 10-minute buffer in between each request, so you just need to wait a bit. Okay, now we have just gotten 2 allot to our core wallet, and from here we can go to our portfolio tab. As you can see, I already have some in my portfolio. To deposit from your core wallet to your Dexalot portfolio, simply click the 3 vertical dots to the right of the token you would like to deposit and select Deposit. We'll be depositing 2 allot for now. And anytime you make a transaction using your core wallet, you'll get this pop-up. Here you can set your network fee, which allows you to pay a higher gas fee for a speedier transaction or pay a lower fee, but that will go along with a slower transaction. We'll be doing instant for now. And once you hit approve and the transaction is approved, you'll get the option to view it on Explorer, which will bring you to a page like this, where you can view all of the information on the transaction you have just made. We don't need that for now, though. Okay, now we have gotten some allot from the faucet and deposited it to our portfolio. To place a trade, go over to the Trade tab. You can select from here what price you would like to trade at, and or you could just simply put it in manually here. We're just going to do the price of 0.066 AVOX, and we'll do 3 allot. Trade amount is less than the minimum. All right, we'll do 5 allot, and click Sell. And again, you'll be asked to confirm it with your core wallet. Here you can choose the network fee that you would like to use. We're going to hit Approve. And again, you'll have the option to view it in the Explorer. We don't need to right now, though, so we'll just exit out. And as you can see, we've added our order to the order book. Just to recap, you need to connect your core wallet, turn on the testnet mode in your core wallet, connect to the Dexalot subnet, go to the subnet page, hit Connect to Wallet. You may need to do that twice. Get your mock allot from the faucet, and then deposit that allot from your core wallet to your Dexalot portfolio. And then in the Trade tab, you can put in your sell order.